Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to edit an email in Outlook, step by step. Whether you need to fix a typo, update some details, or polish your message before sending, this guide will make sure you do it perfectly. So stay tuned. By the end, you'll be editing like a pro. Let's get started. Editing an email in Outlook is super simple once you know where everything is. Maybe you spotted a spelling mistake, need to update a file, or just want to improve your message. Whatever the reason, Outlook gives you all the tools to make changes quickly and professionally. First, head over to the Microsoft 365 login page and sign in using your Outlook email and password. If you use a password manager, that's a great way to keep your credentials safe and make logging in even faster. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Outlook Mail dashboard. This is your control center where you can access your inbox, sent items, and most importantly, the drafts folder. Now, go to your drafts folder from the left-hand panel, find the email you want to edit, then simply click to open it. You'll see your original message right there, ready for changes. From here, you can edit the subject line, email body, or even replace or remove attachments. Use the formatting tools at the top to make your email stand out. Bold key points, italicize important phrases, or add color to highlight sections. Outlook's built-in editor works just like a mini word processor, so take advantage of it to keep your message clear and professional. Before you finalize, make sure to run a spell check. It's a small step, but it keeps your email polished and error-free. Then, click Save, either manually using the Save button or just by closing the draft window. Outlook will confirm your changes automatically. Finally, give your email one last review. Check the tone, flow, and clarity. Ask yourself, does this message sound confident and professional? Once you're happy, go ahead and hit send. And that's it. You've just learned how to edit an email in Outlook like a pro. Quick, easy, and efficient. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more step-by-step tech tutorials, and drop a comment if you'd like me to cover more Outlook tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.